Well, today is the first day of a break in the weather, just for a couple of hours before the rain comes in, and we're going to do a maiden on the Ultrix 600. I've been wanting to try this out for days now, but the weather has been so bad and so windy and so wet. We've just got a bit of a break, and the winds have dropped down. The winds have been very, very strong. So we'll see how this one goes, and then we'll try the UMX Ultrix as well. I'm anxious to try that out. I've got a line of planes, the glider, the ASW 17, haven't been able to take that up, but here's our first of a few new planes to try out, so enjoy the flight. Wow. I'm not doing anything special today, just flying it. Interesting how the motors stop when they brake when you drop the speed down. See that? They both stopped, just gliding. It's a great little glider, I must give you that. And of course it's tossing a bit in the wind. The wind is about 19 kilometres an hour today, so it's quite strong just above those trees. Temperature is around 13 degrees Celsius, so quite cool. I'm anxious to try some 3D, but only on a calm day. Love that little one wheel in the front. I wonder how I should go with a little camera on it. Shall we try it? Okay. And see, she's tossing, fighting that wind. Oh, there you go. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, we've had the camera forward, reverse, and now we're doing just on the side as the final flight for the day. The clouds over there are moving in. Wind has dropped down, which means it'll pick up very strong as that rain comes in this afternoon. But on this Sunday, quite a nice day to try this aircraft out. Jackets on on this rather cold day, and just as we dodge the clouds and the rain, we've just come down here to check out this great little plane, and boy, hasn't it been great. Did you enjoy watching it fly around? I hope the onboard cameras worked well, but it's a fantastic aircraft, this Ultrix 600, and I'm looking forward, as I said, to flying the smaller version of it. You can see the difference in the size compared to the ultra slow stick. We'll pack this away and get it ready for another fine day down at the beach. And thanks for joining me on this maiden voyage, and we'll see you on the next video.